Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn. In today's video, I will be talking about a new transcription site whose application process is super quick and transcription test is very easy to pass. In fact, it took me less than 30 minutes to pass the test and get my first job. And I am sure after watching this video, you will be able to do the same. So stick around till the end. I'll show you how you can do this. First of all, the website name is qaworld.com. Search it on Google and quickly sign up with your name and email address. Check your email address. You will receive an email from QA World admin. Then follow the link to complete the application. Choose your password and create your account. Next, take the short transcription test. Just play the audio and type everything you hear.
Hi, this is James calling from the Boston Consulting Group. Right now we have a promotion on our executive consulting services. Is this an okay time to talk? I'd like to discuss how we can help you streamline your team's business processes from the ground up. Basically, we specialize in accounting, management consulting, private equity, finance advisory, and we recently built an award-winning team to focus just on digital product development, which I think is probably the most applicable to what you guys do, right?
I have the ready-made answer for this clip, so I will simply paste it here and submit. And the result is in front of you. From here onwards, just keep following the on-screen instructions. Click on Setup Account and complete the remaining formalities. In NDA tab, you have to review and sign the agreement by writing your name and hit Continue. Next tab is Privacy Policy. Read this document and take a very simple quiz based on privacy policy. After completing the quiz, submit and continue. In next step, add your correct PayPal account and continue. Set up your Slack account and continue. You can also do this later. Next, hit complete account setup. Now account setup is complete. It's time to take training before attempting real jobs. Go through FAQ section, read all the do's and don'ts at QA World and take one last quiz. This is like understanding the guidelines properly. In this quiz, you can correct the mistakes any number of times. There is no limit. Just get all the answers right and continue. Next, under training tab, you can watch 2 training videos, and there are quality rating guidelines and sample transcripts which will further enhance your understanding about how to work at qaworld.com. After you are convinced that you have taken enough training, hit continue and start transcribing. This is your dashboard. Scroll down a bit and you can see there are hundreds of calls available to transcribe. You can choose any call and start work. Before hitting start work, don't forget to see its call length, earning and time allowed to complete the call. This is my first time at QA World, so I don't really have any experience working at this site. But yes, I can say that at QA World the application process is super quick. They don't make you wait for the results like other websites do. I will work on some of these calls and let you know my experience with QA World in terms of payments, workflow, reliability, legitimacy and all. In my next video, I'll give you a live demo on how to work at qaworld.com. So if you want to follow me on this, make sure you subscribe to Let's Learn and also don't forget to like, comment and share. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.